women voters or women precisely who were protesting against Arvind Kejriwal on Purvanchali votes. Let's hear it.
सरकार आई है जब से पूरा दिल्ली अस्त व्यस्त हो चुका है। हर 2 दिन में कोई ना कोई मुद्दा हास्य के लिए जरूर आपदा पार्टी, आपदा सरकार दिल्ली वालों को दे देती है। वो आपदा सरकार बोल रही है कि पूर्वांचली वोटर नकली वोटर है, फेक वोटर है। तो मैं आपदा सरकार से पूछना चाहूंगी, आपने जो दिल्ली में बांग्लादेशी और रोहिंग्याओं को बसाया है, वो क्या असली वोटर है?
ये पूर्वांचलियों के लिए कह रहा है कि भाजपा पूर्वांचलियों के फर्जी वोट बना रही है। तो मैं केजरीवाल जी से पूछना चाहती हूँ, तो ये भी तो फर्जी ही है। जो हरियाणा से आया और दिल्ली में नौकरी मिली, तो ये भी तो यूपी का भाई है। फिर इसका मतलब ये भी फर्जी हुआ। इसने रोहिंग्या को और बांग्लादेशियों को पनाह देकर जो फर्जी वोट बनाए और इसका पर्दाफाश हो गया। तो ये घबराया हुआ है, बौखलाया हुआ है। हमारी दिल्ली को इसने फर्जी वोट के नाम से फेमस कर दिया है।
आपदा ने बहुत परेशान दिल्ली के अंदर जो कर दिया है और झूठे वादे इन्होंने इतने करे हुए हैं, कोई भी एक वादा नहीं निभाया है। तो अब यही हो रहा है कि आपदा को भगाओ और भाजपा की सरकार लाए, क्योंकि इन्होंने जो महिलाओं के लिए भी करा वो भी उन्हें उस पे खरे उतरे है। और पूर्वांचलियों को भी और जो यूपी के लोगों को भी इन्होंने जो है झूठे वादे उनसे कर और दिल्ली से भगाना चाहते हैं। तो इन्होंने बहुत त्रस्त कर दिया यहाँ की दिल्ली की जनता को।
All right, we heard it. Let me bring back Aishwarya. She's right now along that protest march. Aishwarya, give us some voices from the ground, people who are walking with you with placards. What do those placards say? If you could get us reactions from right there.
You know, Nabila, we will try and speak with the women who are here, the women being very, very aggressive, almost rushing towards Arvind Kejriwal's house. The women are now saying that they have been waiting for Arvind Kejriwal to actually do something, especially with regards to the cleaning of the Yamuna. But none of those things have been done. The flags of the BJP are now high. We will try and get in a word from the people, especially the women, Nabila, and we will see what the women have now. The women will now speak with regards to what they have to say at the moment, showing you visuals of what's happening. You know, the march now, let me tell you, Nabila, moving towards Arvind Kejriwal's residence, which is barely a few meters away from Arvind Kejriwal. We'll give you the images of the barricades now, Nabila. The barricades have been put up, not just one layer, various layers of the barricades have been put up close to Arvind Kejriwal's residence. They will be stopped here, the march. The police very, very clear that these protesters will not be allowed to cross the barricades.
Well, those are live images that Aishwarya is bringing us, where you have people protesting against the Aam Aadmi Party on Purvanchal votes. In fact, claiming that Arvind Kejriwal has insulted Purvanchalis. Now, they have not cleaned River Yamuna. Chhat Puja is very precious for them. They're not able to carry out their religious rituals. Blaming Arvind Kejriwal directly for deliberately attempting to insult by ignoring issues that concern Purvanchalis. Now, more on that, Aishwarya is right there at the spot where they're storming towards Arvind Kejriwal's residence. We saw that protest is heated. Is there any police presence to stop them off, Aishwarya? Any kind of barricading? I see those barricades, but are protesters violating those?
Not just one layer of barricade. But let me tell you, there are multiple layers of barricades, Nabila, that have been put up, and that's the reason you are seeing the people now on top of those barricades, and they are now wanting to cross the barricades, but that is something that they will not be allowed to do. So let me in fact show you the other side of the images. More people, Nabila, at the moment are coming towards Arvind Kejriwal's residence. What you are seeing are the BJP flags, the trucks now. All these people marching towards the barricades. The barricades have been put up. Layers of barricading has been done very close to Arvind Kejriwal's residence. What you are seeing on the other side, the people, in fact, let me tell you, are sitting on the barricades, Nabila, and they are the ones who are now protesting against Arvind Kejriwal and the comments that he has made. They are saying that we are not fake voters. It is Arvind Kejriwal who has been indulging in making sure that he's adding voter names to the voting list, and that's the reason why today you are seeing all these people now sitting atop the barricades, barely few meters away from Arvind Kejriwal's residence. Nabila.
Right. Well, give us a little more about the voter list scam that Aam Aadmi Party claims some of the BJP leaders have indulged in. A take on what that controversy is all about. Aishwarya.
Well, Nabila, you know, the truck here, let me first show you these visuals, live visuals. We are getting you barely meters away from where the Arvind Kejriwal's residence is. The Vishal Pradarshan, the truck that you are seeing, all of them are saying that Purvanchal Virodhi Arvind Kejriwal is now being called as a person who's against the people from the Purvanchali region.